Justin from W Advertising. I'm here to tell you about Facebook advertising today and how it works and how you should do it. So basically, you got to have your home page with Facebook with all your friends on it and everything filled in as it should be on Facebook. Then you go to the top button on the right and you click on the plus sign and you click on page. You want to create a new page. You go ahead to the page, you fill it all out, all the areas that it asks you to fill out. It's going to ask you for a cell phone number, a WhatsApp number. You're going to put it in. They'll send you a code, and then you can create a WhatsApp button so that people can contact you on WhatsApp directly. That helps a lot. Or you can set it up so that it sends you a Facebook message. That also is very helpful. So your message will come through, but to be honest, I think the WhatsApp option is one of the best. So when it comes to the advertising side of things, you'll be able to select the age that you want people to be. I like to choose 25 to 55. You can test it on men and women. You can select either one and see how the ad goes. You can always change the ad later and maybe choose men only or women only. I choose all. Then I do an A/B test. That's a testing to see if one is better than the other and then choosing the best out of the two or three. So that's how Facebook advertising is done. Use images in your ads that are stand out, that are bright, maybe something in red, and something that's going to catch the eye. You can also use videos, homemade videos, or professionally done videos of your company. That's often viewed probably one of the most out of all the ads that you could possibly do. So yeah, that's how Facebook advertising is done. If you need any professional help, you can come to myself or any of my team members, and we'll sort out all your advertising marketing for you and your paid advertising. We'll set up your page, and contact us at W Advertising. It's www.wadvertising.co.za. And you can follow us on our Facebook page. And it would really be appreciated if you did follow us on our Facebook page. We can update you with all the news and these videos that I make. And you can learn a lot from what we do and how we do it. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video.